A recent trip to a different Menards revealed an array of buildings that I've never seen before in person. These were again tucked away on the second floor, towards the back, almost hidden in Menards' seasonal section. From the number of train reviews here on YouTube, I'd guess that most of Menards toy train products are ordered online and shipped directly to the buyer. But with local hobby shops disappearing, Menards remains one of only a few retailers where you can go and physically touch, examine, and learn about O-Gauge products in real time. The Vetter Sash and Door Factory is big, and it's packed with a lot of detail, including multiple figures, LED lighting both inside and out, and even 2 rotating exhaust fans. Like many of Menards' larger structures, it has dual openings towards the back that are sized to allow track and trains to pass through. Linking or placing these large buildings next to each other on your layout would effectively create a tunnel where locomotives and freight cars could briefly enter, disappear for a moment, only to reappear from the back of the last factory or warehouse. Menards is also getting a little more creative with their graphics and decorations too. Check out the weathered signs and detailed pallets on the loading dock. You can usually get the 11% rebate, but right now in May of 2023, it's even on sale with an additional $20 off the original price. Here's another trend that Menards is choosing to explore: a fully finished model except for the signage. There's a place for the business name, but you get to pick from one of 26 different decals provided by Menards, or maybe you might want to just make one of your own. Why not? Painted figures, landscaping, and it's pre-lit with 33 LED lights. Plus, it has the dual doors in back again for easy loading or unloading of freight cars from your own private rail spur. Are your wheels turning yet with ideas of how you could customize this yourself? Make it yours now for the low price of $71.19 after rebate. If I didn't already have 2 of Lionel's passenger stations, this would have come home with me. The Menardsville train station is even the right size for my layout, but I resisted. Along with the LED lighting, it has 8 figures wandering about, killing time, waiting for their trains to arrive. I wonder, if I could sell some of my Lionel stuff at a swap meet, maybe I could justify buying this. I'll have to think about that. Dang, look how nice this is! I love the red brick, the white window frames, and the green tile roof. It's so pretty! But I like my Lionel buildings too, so I need to be strong, but it's so hard to resist, but I don't really need it. Why is life full of so many tough choices? Stay strong, stay strong, stay strong. Oh, but resistance is futile. Stay strong, stay strong. I don't know what to do. I'm not gonna get it. At least not now. Menards calls that last building a train station, but I feel like I just got off a roller coaster of emotionally driven highs and the lows of budgetary and limited layout spatial realities. So it's time to switch gears and check out the J. Shepherd & Sons Dog Food Factory. Woof. It's just too soon for me to be excited about this one. It's great though. Big in size, lots of LEDs, cool signs, painted figures, yada yada yada, plus the drive-through doors in the back. It's actually really nice. I just can't stop thinking about the train station. I'll be better by the next building. I promise. Wait a second. It's the same price as the train station? What the actual So here's the Oak Point nuclear power facility. It's in a clear box. Inside it's gray. It's got some words on the side and fences and stuff. It's cool. It's no train station, but it's nice. Outside the power plant, the only downside is that the optional tree-hugging hippie protesters, they're sold separately, but they glow in the dark. They'll glow green with their self-righteous solar-powered indignation as they protest the power plant, because of the radiation. But no, actually there are no hippies. This is just another high-quality offering from Menards for your O-scale layout. And if you bought it, I think you would really like it. Now, if you wanted to include some hippies that you would make yourself, I think that would be pretty hilarious outside the Oak Ridge nuclear power facility. So, if you've got room for it, go buy it. It's a good building. There you go. What's the opposite of Woodstock's summer of free love, dirty hippie music? Definitely some of the old Ricky Wagner, that's for dang sure. You know who else probably wouldn't be too fond of hippies is this lady right here. I'm talking about Rosie the Riveter, who's been flexing her big American biceps since WW2. She's American and she's proud, just like Menards. On a more serious note, these flat cars are pretty darn cool, and they're 2 for $24.99 minus the 11% rebate. That makes them a great deal. I just wish they had them in Baltimore and Ohio. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop, hippie free since 2017. Take care.